All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. So I finally got a chance to fly the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom in some very, very windy conditions. I gotta say the results were actually fantastic. It handled very well, and per some video I took, you can actually hardly even tell that I flew it in the wind. I had some video prepared when I was out there flying in the wind, but unfortunately, it was so windy that you can't even really hear my voice on that video. So this is a separate video I just made to introduce the actual flight that I took. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the flight of the video and let me know what you think. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you like the video. Have a great day.